He was 67, full of life, just retired, ready to enjoy his golden years. Until one morning, a simple breakfast nearly ended it all. The scary part? You might be eating the same thing right now. Pause, tone sharpens. Stop. If you're over 60, there's one food you must never touch again. Let me tell you why. The story of Mr. Harold, 67, Florida. Mr. Harold loved donuts. Every morning, one chocolate-glazed donut with black coffee. He thought, life's too short not to enjoy. But 6 months into retirement, Harold collapsed. Diagnosis? Blocked arteries. Type 2 diabetes. And dangerously high cholesterol. What went wrong? Doctors traced it back to his diet. The sugar? Sure. But the real killer? Trans fats, found in baked goods, fried foods, margarine, and processed snacks. These fats clog your arteries, raise your LDL, bad cholesterol, and damage your brain over time. Real data, CDC and Harvard studies. According to a 2023 Harvard study, people over 60 who regularly consume trans fats have 3x higher risk of stroke. The CDC says heart disease is the #1 killer in seniors, and diet is the biggest cause. It's not just donuts. Here are 5 other silent killers most seniors eat daily. Frozen fried meals, like chicken tenders. Packaged pastries. Microwave popcorn with artificial butter. Margarine spreads. Creamers with hydrogenated oil. A Better Way, the healing story of Rosa, 71. After a mild heart scare at 65, Rosa changed everything. No more processed snacks. No more fast food. She swapped in avocados instead of margarine. Fruits and nuts instead of donuts. Olive oil for cooking. Oatmeal breakfasts instead of sugary cereals. Today, she walks 5,000 steps a day and takes 0 medications. Her doctor says she has the blood pressure of a 30-year-old. Perspective. It's not about fear. It's about freedom. Freedom to stay active. To hold your grandkids. To enjoy retirement without hospitals. You don't have to be perfect. But starting with this one change, cutting trans fats, might save your life. CTA, 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Now that you know the truth, what's the first food you'll stop eating starting today? Drop it in the comments, we read every one. Subscribe to Seniors Food for Real, practical health stories that help you live longer, stronger, and happier. Because your best years are still ahead.